Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that Apple Silicon Mac users might encounter. So, you've realized that using Bootcamp is off the table due to your laptop running on Apple Silicon. But fear not, there might still be a light at the end of the tunnel. Now, let's talk about the solution. Unfortunately, setting up a partition manually using disk utility won't get you where you want to be. The lack of an Intel chip in your Apple Silicon Mac means that the Bootcamp process won't work for any version of Windows in 2023. Essentially, you'll need to look into virtualizing your desired operating system on your hardware. In a nutshell, if you're aiming to run Windows on your Apple Silicon Mac, Bootcamp won't be your saving grace. The good news is, there are alternatives like using VMware Horizon or exploring Microsoft's recommendations such as Azure Cloud or Parallels Desktop, running ARM versions of Windows 11 Pro and Windows 11 Enterprise. So, while the straightforward method may not be an option, there are still ways to make it work. Well, that's a wrap for today's video. Remember, when it comes to running Windows on your Apple Silicon Mac, the traditional Bootcamp route won't cut it. But there are other paths to explore. Be sure to subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment down below. Until next time, happy virtualizing.